Welcome to my channel, where I provide advice on personal finance and self-help. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of your financial health: your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness to lenders. It is used to determine your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and even rental applications. A high credit score can open doors to many financial opportunities, while a low score can make it difficult to get approved for credit or make it more expensive when you do. Unfortunately, many people make mistakes that can harm their credit score without even realizing it. In this video, I want to share with you some of the most common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them to improve your credit score. Missing payments. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. Even one missed payment can cause your score to drop. To avoid this, set reminders for yourself to make sure you pay your bills on time. Carrying high balances on credit cards. Your credit utilization, or the amount of credit you are using compared to your credit limit, makes up 30% of your credit score. It's best to keep your utilization below 30%. So if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Closing credit accounts. Closing a credit account can have a negative impact on your credit score because it reduces your overall credit limit, which can increase your credit utilization. So think twice before closing a credit account, even if you're not using it. Applying for too much credit at once. Every time you apply for credit, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your score. To avoid this, try to limit the number of credit applications you make and space them out over time. Not checking your credit report. Your credit report contains information that is used to calculate your credit score. It's important to check it regularly to make sure the information is accurate and to catch any errors that may be hurting your score. These are just a few of the most common mistakes that people make when it comes to their credit score. By avoiding these mistakes and following the tips I've shared, you can improve your credit score and open the door to many financial opportunities. Remember, your credit score is not set in stone, and you can always work to improve it. In conclusion, your credit score is a crucial aspect of your financial health and should be given the attention it deserves. By avoiding these common mistakes and taking steps to improve your score, you can increase your chances of getting approved for credit and loans, and enjoy more favorable terms and interest rates. Remember to check your credit report regularly, and always pay your bills on time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable financial advice.